Hi everyone, Mark, Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway. Today we're going to talk about some exciting stuff from Fan RC. Aftermarket parts for your Losi JRX2, JRXT. Some of these parts do fit like the LXT and the GTX NXT. I got one of my JRX2s here. It's a little dirty. To kind of show you the parts and how they're a little bit different than what was originally made from Team Losi. You see I got the injection molded front bulkhead out of the bag. Similar to what the Losi one was, it's a little bit different. Made out of the Fan RC material, like the RC10 parts are made out of, and the Yokomo parts. So, pretty cool piece. Then the front arms. Now the front arms are a little bit beefier. Go ahead and open these up so you guys can see them. Than what the Losi arms were originally. You can see. Once again, injection molded parts. And you can see here that they are rigid arms as well. So they don't flex like the old ones do. So maybe they won't bend. Maybe they'll just break easier. I'm not really sure. But definitely be able to keep your rig going. A lot cheaper option. I think the bulkhead sells on our site for 19 bucks. And I don't remember what the arms are, but I know that they're comparable. I know like this thing on eBay new right now is like 50 bucks. So rear bulkhead, same thing. It's like the newer version. The original JRX was a little bit different. You can see it here, injection molded piece, really nice piece. Once again, these are 440 screws, 832 screws in the bottom. But yeah, once again, this thing sells like, you can find them on eBay. They're like 45 bucks new is what you're going to pay for that. So it's like, I think $18 or $19 on our website. They are a little bit different than the original ones. They're shaped just a little bit different. They're obviously made out of different material, but it will bolt in place of the original parts. So the trailing links here, I'm not going to open them up, but they're similar to the ones that originally came on the car. Obviously, they're made a little bit more beefier. Battery cup, battery mount. Open this one up here and show you guys. It's the newer version that they had out. Comes with the battery hold down. Does not come with the screws and hardware. You have to provide that. I do know he's working on like the foam pad for this, and then the foam pad that went in the slimline chassis as well. So there'll be parts that will be available. You can see it's a lot different than the original Losi battery box that the ears always broke off on. So nice piece. Once again, these things are expensive. You can't find them. So the whole hope with all this is it's going to keep, Losi cars, kind of get them back going, get them back out on the track a little bit more. I will show you the motor plate because it's really cool. I think it's turned out really nice. He did a good job with it. Just regular aluminum, brushed aluminum. So you can see. So yeah, cool piece there. Front bumper, kind of like the mini bumper, mixed between the newer bumper. Takes all 4 holes in the front, so it's definitely way different. It's made out of a flexible material like all his bumpers are, so it'll hold up really well. The bell cranks obviously require bearings. They do not come with bearings. He did make some servo mounts, which are really neat. There's your hubs for the 5-link, your toe block for the back. Steering arms, caster blocks. These front axles do require the 540, 440 plastic nuts, but they are similar to the axles that originally came in the JRXT. They're definitely a little bit different. So, like he says, this is nice aftermarket parts for a Losi car, JRX series. I do know he's working on a lot more parts. We'll get them in when they become available. Make sure you guys check all this stuff out. GoFastHobbies.com. Keep your vintage ride going, and I will talk to you later.